I'm Mrs. Kruger and I teach AP Statistics. AP Statistics is all about collecting data and analyzing it. So in my class we do a lot of activities where when you collect the data, that's like the fun part. We do a lot of stuff with food and there's just a bunch of activities where we get to collect data in a fun way. And then we have to sit down and we analyze it, we draw conclusions, we conduct experiments, and really get to tell what the data is all about.
When you go into statistics, you think you're gonna be dealing with a lot of probability and percentages, and you might not be very good at that, but I think statistics is really different because it's a lot of the real world stuff that you'll see.
Statistics, it's not your usual math class. It's when you think about algebra or geometry, you think about all these shapes, equations, x and y, all that. Statistics has to do some with that stuff, but not entirely. It's a little bit more about memorizing equations, percentages, and sometimes even graphs, but some more like bar charts and pie charts. That's what you think about more when you think about statistics.
Stats is using math, applying to a real world situation, and it's not purely math. It's a lot of writing and explaining how your math goes along with your situation.
So the benefits of taking an AP course are that you can get college credit if you make a 3 or higher at most institutions. Now, a lot of people think, oh, I don't need AP statistics for my major. And that's okay if you don't need it, because when I was in high school, I took AP statistics and I didn't need it for my major, but I ended up getting 3 hours of credit for an elective. So when you go to college, you still have to take elective courses. So if you take my class, you can at least get credit for an elective, even if it's not on your graduation plan.
Of course, it's a unique experience, and I think it's actually really good that the school offers that, because it saves you a lot of money for one thing, and also it's a little easier as a course than an actual college course can be, and so you can always have that opportunity to get that college credit without paying all that and dealing with all the hassle of professors and a huge classroom and stuff like that. So I think it's good.
I also think it helps you prepare for college. Even if you don't want to take the AP test or anything like that, it definitely does help you prepare for college classes, so the experience is also really good.
I like it a lot. I feel like it helps you boost whenever you get to college, because you already have credits, so you don't have to worry about taking as many college courses, and it's good to get some of them out of the way here instead of having to do it in college.
I think it's a great opportunity for you to experience a little bit of what college is going to be, so you're not so lost when you go to college, so you have a little bit of feel of how your classes would be. Even if it's not 100% a college course, it'll give you a little bit more, and it's also a great way to get ahead.
My AP class is, the benefits are great, and we do have a lot of fun in there, but it is a lot of work. There is homework. The tests are not the easiest, but I do prepare you for the tests that we take in the course and the AP test. My goal is not to obviously, fail any student. I offer tutorials. If you need makeup credit, I sometimes offer that. So I want you to know that the course is a lot of work, but it is doable and it's a lot of fun.
So Ms. Kruger is, I think this is her second year teaching stats, and I'm actually really surprised on how good she is at teaching, because she's really good at getting you prepared for the material and all the notes that you do, and as long as you show an effort that you're trying, she'll always be there to help you, and she's one of the coolest teachers I know, so it's really fun.
She's a strict teacher, but it's all for a good intent. She's strict because she wants you to succeed during the AP test.
Ms. Kruger, she's very nice, and she'll help you if you have any questions or any problems, but she also is very strict with homework and stuff you have to always be paying attention in class, and I don't know, overall she's just a great teacher, and you actually learn a lot from being in her class.
Miss Kruger is a very nice teacher. She's also very understanding because she's a younger teacher. So if you have any problems, you can comfortably go up to her and ask her a question, and she'll thoroughly explain it to you.